Do you love birds? What if you could learn English while exploring some of the most amazing birds in the world? In today's lesson, we will travel from deep forests to high mountains and from cold ice lands to sunny beaches. We will meet colorful parrots, strong eagles, wise owls, funny penguins, and many other beautiful birds. You will learn where they live, what they look like, and what makes them special. After each bird, we will make 3 easy English sentences together. These simple sentences are perfect for A1 and A2 English learners and will help you improve your vocabulary and speaking skills. So, get ready to learn, have fun, and discover the wonderful world of birds through easy American English. Our first bird is the parrot. The parrot is one of the most famous and beautiful birds in the world. Many people love parrots because they are smart, friendly, and very colorful. You can find parrots in warm places like South America, Africa, Asia, and Australia. Most parrots live in forests, but many people also keep them as pets. A parrot has a strong, curved beak and bright feathers. Some parrots are green, some are blue, and some have many different colors. One interesting fact about parrots is that they can copy sounds and even learn simple words. That is why they are special. Now we will make 3 easy sentences about this bird. Imagine I am your English teacher, and you are learning with me. Our first sentence is, I have a parrot. Very easy, right? You can say it with me, I have a parrot. Maybe you have one, or maybe you do not. We are just practicing English. Our second sentence is, my parrot can speak. Say it again with me, my parrot can speak. Some parrots can copy human voices, so this sentence is easy to understand. Our third sentence is, I like my colorful parrot. Can you say it? I like my colorful parrot. Here, the word colorful means having many beautiful colors. Now, let's read the 3 sentences one more time. I have a parrot. My parrot can speak. I like my colorful parrot. Great job. You have learned new English words and 3 simple sentences. It is easy, isn't it? Now, let's move to our next amazing bird. Our second bird is the eagle. The eagle is one of the strongest birds in the world. People often think of the eagle as a symbol of power and freedom. Eagles live in many places, including North America, Europe, Asia, and Africa. They usually build their nests on high mountains, tall trees, or steep cliffs because they like safe and quiet places. An eagle is a very large bird. It has strong wings, a sharp beak, and powerful claws called talons. Its eyesight is amazing. An eagle can see small animals from very high in the sky. It likes to eat fish, rabbits, and other small animals. One fun fact is that an eagle can fly very high and move very fast when it hunts for food. Now we will make 3 easy sentences about this bird. Listen carefully and say them with me. Our first sentence is, the eagle flies high. Very good. The eagle loves to fly high in the sky. So this sentence is easy to remember. Say it again with me. The eagle flies high. Our second sentence is, it has strong wings. Nice and simple. It has strong wings. The word strong means powerful. Eagles need strong wings to fly for a long time. Our third sentence is, I can see an eagle in the sky. Can you say it? I can see an eagle in the sky. This sentence is useful because we often use I can see when we talk about something we are looking at. Now let's read the 3 sentences together one more time. The eagle flies high. It has strong wings. I can see an eagle in the sky. Excellent. Today you learned some new words like eagle, wings, talons, and sky. Every new bird gives you new English words and new sentences. Little by little, your English will become stronger, just like an eagle. Our third bird is the penguin. The penguin is a very interesting bird because it cannot fly, but it is an excellent swimmer. Many penguins live in very cold places, especially around Antarctica. Some penguins also live in other cool places near the ocean. They spend a lot of time in the water because they catch fish to eat. A penguin has black and white feathers. Its body is smooth, and its wings help it swim like a fish. When a penguin walks on land, it moves from side to side. Many people think this little walk looks funny and cute. Penguins often live in large groups, and they like to stay close to each other. Now we will make 3 easy sentences about this bird. Listen to me and say the sentences with me. Our first sentence is, the penguin can swim. Very easy, right? Say it with me. The penguin can swim. Penguins are great swimmers, so this is a good sentence to remember. Our second sentence is, it lives in a cold place. Let's say it again. It lives in a cold place. The words cold place are easy and useful in everyday English. Our third sentence is, the penguin is my favorite bird. Can you say it? The penguin is my favorite bird. We often use the word favorite when we talk about something we like the most. Now, let's read the 3 sentences one more time. The penguin can swim. It lives in a cold place. The penguin is my favorite bird. Great job. You learned new words like penguin, swim, cold, and favorite. These are simple A1 and A2 English words that you can use in your daily conversations. Now, let's get ready to meet another amazing bird. Our next bird is the owl. The owl is a quiet and mysterious bird. Many people think owls are very wise because they always look calm and serious. Owls live in many parts of the world. You can find them in forests, farms, deserts, and even near small towns. Most owls sleep during the day and become active at night. An owl has big round eyes, a short curved beak, and soft feathers. It can turn its head very far to look around. Another amazing thing about an owl is that it can fly very quietly. This helps the owl catch small animals like mice and insects without making much noise. Now we will make 3 easy sentences about this bird. Listen carefully and say them with me. Our first sentence is, the owl comes out at night. Very good. Say it again with me. The owl comes out at night. Many owls are awake when the sun goes down. Our second sentence is, it has big eyes. Nice and easy. It has big eyes. Those big eyes help the owl see in the dark. Our third sentence is, I hear an owl in the forest. Can you say it? I hear an owl in the forest. We use I hear when we talk about sounds. Now let's read the 3 sentences together one more time. The owl comes out at night. It has big eyes. I hear an owl in the forest. Excellent. Today you learned some new English words like owl, night, forest, and hear. These are simple A1 and A2 words that you can use every day. Now, let's fly to our next beautiful bird. Our next bird is the flamingo. The flamingo is a very beautiful and unique bird. It is famous for its pink color and long legs. Flamingos live in warm places like Africa, Asia, South America, and some parts of Europe. They like to stay near lakes, rivers, and salty water areas. A flamingo has a long neck, thin legs, and soft pink feathers. It often stands on one leg, which looks very funny and interesting. Flamingos eat small fish, algae, and tiny plants from the water. They usually live in large groups, and when many flamingos stand together, the view looks very beautiful like a pink cloud. Now we will make 3 very easy sentences about this bird. I will speak slowly like a teacher so you can understand and repeat. Our first sentence is, the flamingo is pink. Very easy, right? Say it with me. The flamingo is pink. The word pink is a color. Our second sentence is, it has long legs. Good job. Repeat, it has long legs. The word long means not short. Our third sentence is, I see a flamingo in the lake. Can you say it? I see a flamingo in the lake. We use I see when we talk about something we are looking at. Now, let's read all 3 sentences together. The flamingo is pink. It has long legs. I see a flamingo in the lake. Great work. You learned new simple words like flamingo, pink, long, and lake. Keep practicing slowly. Your English is improving step by step. Our next bird is the peacock. The peacock is one of the most beautiful birds in the world. It is very famous for its colorful and long tail feathers. Peacocks live in warm countries like India, Sri Lanka, and some parts of Africa. You can often see them in forests, gardens, and open fields. A peacock has a blue neck, shiny feathers, and a very big tail. When it opens its tail, it looks like a big, colorful fan. This is called a dance. Many people love to watch the peacocks dance because it looks very beautiful and special. Peacocks eat seeds, insects, and small plants. Now we will make 3 easy sentences about this bird. Listen carefully and repeat after me like your teacher. Our first sentence is, the peacock is beautiful. Very easy, right? Say it with me. The peacock is beautiful. Our second sentence is, it has a big tail. Good job. Repeat, it has a big tail. The word big means large in size. Our third sentence is, I see a peacock in the garden. Can you say it? I see a peacock in the garden. We use I see when we look at something. Now let's read all 3 sentences together. The peacock is beautiful. It has a big tail. I see a peacock in the garden. Great work. You learned new simple words like peacock, beautiful, tail, and garden. Keep practicing slowly. Your English is getting better every day. Our next bird is the swan. The swan is a very elegant and peaceful bird. Many people love swans because they look calm and beautiful on the water. Swans live in many countries, especially in Europe, Asia, and North America. You can often see them in lakes, rivers, and ponds. A swan has a long neck, white feathers, and a smooth body. It moves very quietly on the water, almost like it is floating. Swans are also very strong birds, even though they look soft and gentle. They like to eat plants, small insects, and fish from the water. Now, we will make 3 easy sentences about this bird. Listen carefully and repeat like your teacher. Our first sentence is, the swan is white. Very easy, right? Say it with me. The swan is white. Our second sentence is, it swims in the lake. Good job. Repeat, it swims in the lake. The word swims means moving in water. Our third sentence is, I see a swan on the river. Can you say it? I see a swan on the river. We use I see when we talk about something we are looking at. Now let's read all 3 sentences together. The swan is white. It swims in the lake. I see a swan on the river. Great work. You learned new simple words like swan, white, swim, and river. Keep practicing slowly. You are improving step by step. Our next bird is the hummingbird. The hummingbird is one of the smallest birds in the world. It is very fast and very active. You can find hummingbirds mostly in North and South America. They like to live in gardens, forests, and places with many flowers. A hummingbird has tiny wings, a small body, and very bright feathers. Some hummingbirds look green, blue, or even red. One amazing thing about hummingbirds is that they can fly in one place in the air like a helicopter. They also drink sweet juice from flowers, which is called nectar. Now, we will make 3 easy sentences about this bird. Listen carefully and repeat like your teacher. Our first sentence is, the hummingbird is small. Very easy, right? Say it with me. The hummingbird is small. Our second sentence is, it drinks flower juice. Good job. Repeat, it drinks flower juice. The word juice here means sweet liquid from flowers. Our third sentence is, I see a hummingbird in the garden. Can you say it? I see a hummingbird in the garden. We use I see when we talk about something we are looking at. Now let's read all 3 sentences together. The hummingbird is small. It drinks flower juice. I see a hummingbird in the garden. Great work. You learned new simple words like hummingbird, small, juice, and garden. Keep practicing slowly. Your English is getting stronger every day. Our next bird is the toucan. The toucan is a very colorful and interesting bird. It is mostly found in the rainforests of South America, especially in countries like Brazil. Toucan birds like to live in trees where it is warm, green, and full of fruits. A toucan has a very big and long beak. Its beak is often bright yellow, orange, or red. Even though the beak looks heavy, it is actually light. The toucan uses its beak to pick fruits and small insects. It also has black feathers with bright color patterns, which make it look very unique and beautiful. Now, we will make 3 easy sentences about this bird. Listen carefully and repeat like your teacher. Our first sentence is, the toucan is colorful. Very easy, right? Say it with me. The toucan is colorful. Our second sentence is, it has a big beak. Good job. Repeat, it has a big beak. The word beak means the mouth of a bird. Our third sentence is, I see a toucan in the tree. Can you say it? I see a toucan in the tree. We use I see when we talk about something we are looking at. Now let's read all 3 sentences together. The toucan is colorful. It has a big beak. I see a toucan in the tree. Great work. You learned new simple words like toucan, colorful, beak, and tree. Keep practicing slowly. You are getting better every day. Our next bird is the woodpecker. The woodpecker is a very special bird because it makes a knocking sound on trees. It lives in forests and wooded areas in many parts of the world, including North America, Europe, and Asia. Woodpeckers like to stay on tree trunks where they can find food and make holes for nests. A woodpecker has a strong, sharp beak and a strong head. It uses its beak to peck wood again and again. This sound is often heard in forests. Woodpeckers eat insects hidden inside trees. Their strong head helps them peck wood without getting hurt. Now listen carefully. I will tell you something important. After this explanation, I want you to practice English by yourself. In the comments box, write 3 simple sentences about this bird. Use easy English. You can use these examples to help you. The woodpecker is a bird. It pecks trees. I see a woodpecker. Now it's your turn. Go to the comments box and write your own 3 sentences in English. Keep it simple, keep it easy, and keep practicing. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It will help you get more easy English lessons like this every day. Also, like this video and share it with your friends who are learning English. Now tell me in the comments, which animal or bird do you want to practice next? Do you want to learn English with a lion, a tiger, a dolphin, or maybe another bird? I will make the next lesson based on your choice. Keep practicing step by step. You are doing amazing. See you in the next video.